Ay, saglit. Dito tayo sa Seafood City in the New Year's Day. Ay, yung daming ano. Ano kayang kukunin ko dito? Hindi ko alam. Kukuha lang ako ng konting ano, gulay. Hotdog. Hotdog kaya. Tsaka marshmallow sa mga bata. Yun na lang. Ayan yung Yakult dito guys, ang mahal. Mas mura sa Walmart. Ay, ito. Yung maliliit lang, masarap din yung maliliit. Yung bite size. Ayan, Seafood City. Ayan. Tapos itong iba sa Red River. Crispy Town doon. And choking. And then Jollibee right next to Red River. Ganyan ang happening dito. Yan yung pila ng Jollibee. Tapos ito naman dito yung Red Ribbon. Wow. This is our first time trying the chicken empanada. Empanadas. Yep, sit down. I know. It's chicken. I got chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah.
How about
Ayan. We're not gonna wait until home, Daddy. Ayan. Tikman natin. Pwede na guys.
John, I got something. What is it?
Don't it need some kind of sauce in it?
Those two.
Tom Tom.
It's kind of dry. Ayan. Sarap.
Hey, guess that you're gonna have. What? Hey, I have it. And
Okay, hi guys. Happy New Year to all. Happy New Year to everyone.
when is this?
So, kakauwi lang namin galing. Saan ba kami pumunta? Seafood City, Red Ribbon, ganon. Tapos, mag-haul tayo ng ating napamili. Ito ay yung last grocery haul or shopping haul for the year of 2020. There's Eloise. For the year 2020. Okay, let's get started. So, ito yung nakuha natin sa Red Ribbon. Ito yung mango roll for our dessert tonight. And then, meron tayong, ayan, yung empanada, chicken empanada. Okay, sa Seafood City naman, ito yung ating nakuha. Pomelo. Ayan, petchay. Tapos itong hotdog. Yan lang yung nakita ko eh. Parang pinagyuhan yung Seafood City. Ito talong. Tapos dalawang ampalaya. And then ito, first time kong bumili nito. Keep refrigerated daw. Ilaga ko pa kaya to guys? Hindi ko alam eh. Or luto na. I have to research that. Tapos itong pears. Paborito ni Steve. I got 6. Tapos ito, isang klase ng pear din. Ito mas matamis to. I got 4 of this. Excuse me. Dumaan akong wing ko kumuha nito. Corn on the cob. Dahil yung plano ay magsi-seafood boil. And then, ito, of course, potato. Ito, kinuha ko na. Hindi ko alam kung magustuhan yan ni Steve. Or gagawa siya ng sarili niyang, how you call it, honey? the seafood seafood spices. Cajun spices. Tapos ito, chicken liver. Tapos ito will go in with our seafood boil, smoked sausages, and chicken gizzards. And that's for me. It's not for the seafood boil. Ew, daw eh. 7-Up. And then sparkling water. Husband is taking over my kitchen. So, ito yung ingredients niya sa seafood boil. These are king crab legs. Pinutol ko na siya into smaller pieces. Tapos, ito Dungeness crab, shrimp, kunti lang. Tapos, ayun, sausages. Ayan, pinatong ko dyan. Ayan, sausages. What kind of sausage? Smoked sausages. And then we have the potatoes, the corn, and I want green beans in it. What did just happen in here?
I put the corn in, the potatoes, waiting on everything to come to a boil. Corn is in there,
I think you should put the onion too,
and
right?
then I'm gonna put the onions in.
And the garlic.
And the garlic and all that be next.
You put your seasoning now, looks like.
Yes, I did. That was the first thing I put in.
Get off the table, please.
Now, I'll wait till everything come back to a boil.
Ito na yung malaking plato na paglalagyan natin ng seafood boil.
That looks pretty good.
What's going on with the steak?
I'm trying to see how you want it.
I want mine well done.
I don't want mine well done.
Don't scratch my pan.
I'm trying not to.
In a little bit. Okay, so here's our seafood boil.
This is what me and my.
Thank you, Daddy, for the food.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mom.
I can't eat this all.
I want y'all to know, my wife killed this. Look at all this.
Oh yeah, look at your plate.
I barely got a little bit.
I like the lemon.
I think you did a good job on the cooking and all.
You cooked it. Thank you.
Mommy, I want.
Ayan na, binagyuhan na. Hindi na ubos yung Dungeness crab. Pero yung king crab na ubos. And hindi masyado kumain yung steak. Oh my gosh. Happy New Year! What you having?
Cake. Cake. Cake.
What kind of cake?
Mango.
Mango cake. Mango roll.